Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete YouTube subscriptions on Android step by step using a simple and easy method. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version and double check that you're signed in with the correct Google account you use for watching videos. Step 2. Inside the app, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons. Tap on the one labeled Subscriptions. It's usually right in the middle. This will take you directly to your subscribed channels list. Step 3. At the top of the subscription screen, find the All option. It's usually right beside the Today or Videos tabs. Tap on All to continue and view the full list of channels you've subscribed to. Step 4. Next, locate the most relevant filter option at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and a few sorting options will pop up. Make sure you select Most Relevant again. This ensures you're seeing the channels that matter most or appear most frequently. Step 5. After that, scroll through the list of channels you've subscribed to. Find any channel that you no longer want to follow. To delete YouTube subscriptions on Android, all you need to do is tap on that channel's icon or name to open its main page. Step 6. Once you're on the channel's page, look for the Subscribe button. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear. From there, select the unsubscribe option, and boom, you've successfully deleted that YouTube subscription on Android. You can follow the same process to unsubscribe from any other channels too. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.